Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my simple morning cleaning routine. These are the things I try to do every morning before me and mom leave for work. By this it means a little help to my mom and the house is nice and clean and tidy once we have left for the day. There are a few things happening, like there's a lot of laundry that's going on. Mom's cooking in the kitchen. So I hope you enjoy today's video and hope it gives you some inspiration. I've made a few cleaning videos on this channel, so I'll leave a few links down below. If you would like to give a hand to your mom, then you might find it interesting and helpful. Well, my routine does change, but yeah, this is my current morning routine. I'm constantly making cleaning videos, so if you enjoy this type of content, then please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. With that all said, let's get into today's clean. So I usually wake up at 7 a.m. But today I woke up a little early since I wanted to shoot my morning routine. Well, I kind of roll in bed for some time and then as soon as I'm up, I'll just thank God for the good night's sleep and waking me up to a new day by doing a sign of the cross. Then I tidy up my bed. I do not like leaving my bedroom without getting my bed done. Then I'll switch off my night lamp and open the curtains and window to let in some fresh air. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know what I should go. No, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far we'll go. Next step is to freshen up. I'll take a washed clean towel and then brush my teeth. I do not like moving about with an unbrushed mouth. Also, brushing makes me feel fresh. Once I'm done brushing and washing my face, I head to mom's bedroom and apply the face moisturizer. I like using a moisturizer as soon as I've washed my face because it is believed to penetrate into your freshly washed skin much better. After that, I'll brush my hair, serum them and tie them into a quick pony or a bun. Next, I visit my mom in the kitchen who is usually either cooking our lunch or preparing breakfast. Then I like to have my detox water. It is a pretty simple detox of dry coriander seeds that are soaked overnight in water and boiled in the morning. Since coriander is a rich source of nutrients like vitamins and iron, it is believed to help strengthen your hair, improve skin health, and also aids in weight loss. Well, we all like sipping our detox by sitting in the balcony, enjoying the chirping of the birds and the squeaking of the squirrels and watching Ginger hunt them down. In between all this, I like cuddling and snuggling this boy with a lot of good morning kisses. I like playing some music because it is believed that listening to music in the morning helps reduce stress levels, helps relaxing your muscles, eases your mind and releases stress. Listening to lower tempo songs is the best. Then the next step is putting a load of laundry every single morning. This is how we do it, and this really helps stay on top of all the clothes. And if we do not have a full load, that time I will stick either my parents' bedsheets in or my bedsheets in or grab the towels or tablecloths and just shove them in. But having one load of laundry every day makes us stay on top of everything. So I tend to put it on in the morning the first thing. Then my dad hangs it out to dry, and then once dried, my dad or myself will fold the laundry in the evening when I return back from work. So this is how it is usually done. Next, we all love having our breakfast in the balcony again. But this isn't very often. Usually I multitask. I know it sounds funny, but yeah, I do. I have my breakfast while sweeping the floor, and I also put things in the right place. So this is how I multitask. Yet this way I'm also been able to finish my breakfast quicker, or else I keep admiring the nature and swinging and enjoying the morning in my own time. Usually mom and dad do their bed, but not the way I like it. So I like to fold their bed sheets neatly, arrange the pillows, also arrange the throw pillows the way I like. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know what I should go. No, I don't wanna Now some important tips. As you move from one room to another, try to do a quick scan to see if there is anything that you can take with you that belongs where you are going. Take only what you will have time to put away. It can be a couple of dirty dishes, some dirty laundry, and so on. By the way, all these throw pillows have come from Amazon, the links to which have been mentioned in the description box for you guys to check them out. Another important tip is clean as you go. Putting things away as you go doesn't really take much of a time, but it will definitely make a difference between a clean house and a messy house at the end of the day. Similarly, make sure to check the links of these throw pillows and the throw in the description box. It is also important to have all the family help out cleaning. If you have kids in the house, you could at least encourage them to put their dirty dishes after breakfast or lunch in the sink or dishwasher, to put their dirty laundry in the laundry basket or the washing machine. The kitchen tends to be the room where most morning messes occur. As I sweep the house, Mom wipes down the kitchen counters, washes up the dirty dishes, cleans up the stove area, and if at all there's something left behind, I try and put things in place. Mom loves to see her house surroundings clean too, so she likes watering the garden, sweeping away the dry leaves and twigs, thereby having a clean garden.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Having finished sweeping and my breakfast done, it's now time to get ready for work. I often iron my uniform at night because usually in the morning I have no time to do it, and if I leave the ironing chore for the morning, then I have to give up on some other chore. So I like to be prepared a night before. Whereas Mom usually irons her office clothes in the morning, sometimes Dad does it for her, so it's pretty alright. That's it for my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one.